TradingLite versus Bookmap, which order flow platform wins? Choosing the right order flow tool can transform how you read markets without missing critical trades. Both platforms offer unique features for tracking market depth and volume. TradingLite and Bookmap are powerful order flow platforms designed to visualize market liquidity and order book activity. The core difference lies in their interface and data presentation. TradingLite focuses on simplicity and heat maps, while Bookmap emphasizes detailed real-time market depth and footprint charts. TradingLite is an intuitive order flow platform that uses heat maps to display market liquidity and order book imbalances. It aggregates data from multiple exchanges, offering a clean visual representation of where buy and sell orders cluster. Traders benefit from its straightforward interface, which highlights volume spikes and price levels with color-coded heat maps. TradingLite works through web-based access, making it easy to use without heavy installations. Its strengths include low latency, multi-exchange support, and a focus on visual clarity that suits beginners and intermediate traders seeking quick insights into market flow. However, its simplicity means it lacks some advanced features like detailed footprint charts or complex order tracking. Ideal users are those who want a fast, visually clear overview of order flow without overwhelming technical details, especially day traders and scalpers relying on volume zones. Bookmap is a comprehensive order flow platform that delivers real-time market depth and footprint charting with high precision. It visualizes the order book by plotting liquidity and executed trades dynamically, allowing traders to see iceberg orders, large blocks, and subtle shifts in supply and demand. Bookmap integrates with multiple brokers and data feeds, offering customizable indicators and advanced tools like volume dots and heat map layering. Its strengths include deep market insight, extensive customization, and support for various asset classes including futures, stocks, and crypto. The platform requires installation and a steeper learning curve, which might be challenging for beginners. Limitations include high cost and complexity, but the payoff is detailed order flow analysis that professional traders and algorithmic traders find invaluable. Bookmap suits users who need granular control and advanced visualization for precise trade timing and market structure analysis. TradingLite and Bookmap offer distinct approaches to order flow analysis. TradingLite's heat map visualization excels in simplicity and speed, ideal for traders who want immediate visual cues on liquidity zones without deep customization. It works well for quick decision-making and multi-exchange monitoring. Bookmap, on the other hand, provides a richer, more detailed picture with footprint charts and iceberg order detection, suited for traders needing precise market microstructure data. The trade-off is complexity and cost, as Bookmap demands more time to learn and a higher subscription fee. For example, a scalper may prefer TradingLite for its quick heat map cues, while a professional futures trader might choose Bookmap for its advanced order book insights. Both platforms enhance order flow reading but cater to different trading styles and experience levels. Choose TradingLite if you want a fast, easy-to-use order flow platform with clear heat map visuals and multi-exchange support for efficient market scanning. Opt for Bookmap if you require deep, detailed order flow analysis with advanced footprint charts and iceberg order detection. It's the ideal choice for professional traders focused on precision and market microstructure. Both platforms excel, so pick the one that fits your trading style best.